Hello! Today we're going to learn how to use the Devotionals tab in the side menu of your control panel. You will select Devotionals and then Categories. Here you'll be able to manage the categories of the devotionals. They are important so that the user can find them easily. We already have some categories registered that can be edited or deleted. We can also add new categories. Going back to the side menu, I'm going to click on Devotionals and then Publications. We're going to add a devotional. The fields with asterisks are mandatory, so we must make sure to fill those in. You would choose your category or categories. We'll add a name for your devotional. You can add content if you want. You will upload an image, and you can add a file. To add an image, you will choose one from your computer, and you can then select the sizing that you need. A preview of how the image will look in your app will appear to the side. You can either save your devotional as a draft and post it when needed, or you can publish it right away. Back on the list, you'll be able to keep track of all activated devotionals that are in draft. You can view the information, edit it, or take it out of the app. The Devotionals feature was created to be a simple tool to manage the devotionals registered in your app in an easy-to-understand format. If you need any assistance using this feature or your app, please do not hesitate to contact us through our support channels. Thanks, and talk to you soon.